And then it came. And then it came. The day would then draw to a close. Twilight and son and daughter made haste for home. Food awaited. Mom and dad a Bible story chose. For before bedtime, family devotion and chat were the norm. Happy was the home. Joyful days were those. All did bond, relations so kind and warm, and then it came. Money did come, a stickful and considerate sum. Better clothes dad bought, so delight mom was, bikes and dolls for son and daughter running, playing on that farm. Though the kids their friends forsook, and mom now did all chores. Could they not a housemaid afford? 'Twas no harm, so did happiness with pleasure mingle. It did all angles, and then it came. It came as development, a technological accomplishment. With pomp it came, lighting up the sitting room it did. It came with a menu, much entertainment without end, cartoons aplenty, sports, movies, joy, nothing could exceed. Although family prayers died, no one noticed. Church seldom attend. Mom's eyes to TV fully glued, kids, celebs copied, and dad an addict. And then it came. Who could have seen it coming? So subtle to unrelated. Why was dad's phone now password full? Why none touch it? None understood. Not till the techno-savvy son to mom said, "Sex videos in dad's phone and my teacher's nudes in files hidden." Mom's tears flowed. Depressed was she, and to hospital admitted. Son attempts suicide. His sis twice pregnant. So much for that TV. And then they came. 'Twas professionally executed. No trace left. When all was quiet, a minute past midnight, they then came. Heavily prepared for cruel theft. Everything they took, including the prized TV, set that night. What anguish the family at dawn felt when all was known to be lost. So poverty's back in the house, none spoke, none thought aright, and then he came. The pastor came to pray, keep them company and console. When he came, they just stared stunned like in haze. Nothing was in that sitting room except a dusty, old, neglected Bible. But when he opened it, they remembered those good old days. With Pastor, they now sat unlocking the keys to heaven's door. They see TV's effects, confess anew, baptized anew, TV not to replace, and then he, Jesus, came. It enraptured the whole world's attention as all eyes turned east. Like a black, cloudy hand, it veiled light, unsurpassed of fiery splendor. Trumpets sounded, and the whole family awake from grave's mist. They rose in joy, shouting, "This is the God we've been waiting for." And Pastor was there as well, to whom salvation they owed not least. Then they all changed, up in the air with Jesus, paradise to go, and finally to their sweet abode they came. Thank you for watching and listening to this poem. And then it came. And we believe you've got the hang of it.